Welcome to Seasons blog. Your wallet now has a job description. Builder nodes and the wallet as Yield 3.0's participation layer. Crypto wallets typically serve only as custodial tools, letting you hold assets, check balances, prove ownership, or move funds. But on Seasons, your wallet plays a more productive operational role, which the Node Software V2 has expanded further by introducing our two-tier participation model. Based on your Seas holdings, the network recognizes your wallet as a builder or director node. This determines which assets you receive yield and how frequently you receive them. Simply put, Seasons gives your wallet a job description. The wallet is the node. Seasons nodes are public Solana wallet addresses that meet certain requirements, so the network recognizes them as operators. A builder node is the lightweight role within that model, carried by a qualifying wallet in the 1,000 to 9,999 Cs range. Once your wallet satisfies the builder criteria, the protocol records it as an active builder and tracks its address, type, balance, weight, age, and payout state. Your Cs tokens never leave your wallet, and they remain fully liquid always, so you stay in complete control while the wallet carries ownership, operator identity, and node state in one place. That's the core of Yield 3.0 and Seasons' wallet-first architecture. Participation begins at the same address where ownership already lives. One address, an entire journey. Node Software. 2 organizes this participation layer into 2 operator roles. Builders accumulate yield in Cs and carry a node weight relative to other builders. Whereas at 10,000 Cs or more, a wallet achieves director node status, with director-specific weight and direct-to-wallet distribution mechanics. The same address thus becomes the substrate for progression across both tiers. As the wallet's qualifying state changes, the node ledger automatically updates its role, and the applicable mechanics follow. The address stays constant while the job title evolves. And since builders get paid in the very asset that fuels their progression, their journey into the higher, more consequential tier pays for itself. Your Cs balance acquires an operational meaning this way, helping place your wallet within a tier and determining its relative weight there. Moreover, for builders, the collected and retained Cs yield strengthens that weight and moves the wallet closer to the director range, turning participation into a continuous path of progress. Overall, while the wallet-first foundation has always been there for Seasons, the Node Software V2 deployment extended what that foundation supports and the value streams it unlocks, making the builder tier more visible and its value more tangible are the next key steps for this deployment. Upcoming upgrades to the Seasons terminal will address these. Accumulation is already underway for builders, though. Wallets with 1,000 plus Cs have been earning Cs-denominated yields since August 3rd. The positive flywheel is turning, and soon, the final collection and compounding phase will start rolling once the terminal gets a dedicated claim button. Soon, very soon. Just let it grow.